Welcome to the BoldSign eSignature tutorial. This video will show you how to enhance document security with BoldSign's IP whitelisting. In BoldSign, the IP address whitelisting feature allows only users with specified and approved IP addresses to access the BoldSign account and prevents unauthorized IP addresses from accessing the account. This feature is essential for enhancing security and access control, effectively reducing the risk of unauthorized access and data breaches. By whitelisting IP addresses, organizations can ensure that only trusted users or entities connecting from approved IP addresses can access sensitive information. This feature is particularly valuable in scenarios requiring the safeguarding of resources and compliance with regulatory standards. Let's consider a scenario where a company uses BoldSign to manage contracts and documents securely. The company aims to restrict access to its BoldSign account only to employees from the corporate office network. To achieve this, the manager decides to whitelist the IP addresses of the corporate office network. This ensures that only devices connected to the corporate office network can access the company's BoldSign account. Let me demonstrate how the manager would do that. First, I access the BoldSign application page and expand the settings menu. I choose Business Profile to navigate to the Business Profile page. Only the account administrator can access the business profile settings. On the page, I scroll down to the Allowed IP Range section. Here I need to add an IP address range for the corporate office network. To do this, I click the Add IP Range button. My IP address is automatically added as the initial IP range here. The IP addresses must be in the IPv4 format. I then proceed to enter the range. To add multiple IP address ranges, click Add IP Range. This allows you to enter the next IP address range. I can also remove the IP address range by clicking the close icon. The available IP address ranges have a maximum limit of 25. I cannot save changes if the manager's IP address is removed from the list. Additionally, invalid IP address ranges cannot be saved, and a notification pop-up is displayed when trying to save the changes. I can also specify a single IP address by entering only one IP address in the Start IP Address field. I check my changes once and save them by clicking the Save Changes button. The added IP address ranges are displayed in the Allowed IP Ranges list. Now the employees with the specific IP addresses can access the company's BoldSign account. After whitelisting the IP addresses, I can also edit or delete them by clicking the Edit IP Range button. Now when users without the specified IP addresses try to access the account, they receive an Access Denied notification. This alert informs them that their IP address is not permitted to access the account. That summarizes how to whitelist IP addresses in BoldSign. If you found this video useful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned to our channel for more BoldSign tutorial videos.